Good morning, guys. Today we are going to talk about types of numbers. Kind of goes along with our square roots. We're going to be talking about rational and irrational numbers. So we're going to start with our rational numbers. And what rational numbers are is a number that can be written as a fraction. But sometimes we run into a problem when the numbers aren't written as fractions, when they're written as really long decimals. So kind of like a side definition, it's also whole numbers. Or it is repeating decimals and terminating decimals. Whole numbers, you guys know, it's 6, it's 25, it's 91. Repeating decimals are the decimals that look like 0.838383 or 0.66666. It's got that repeating pattern over and over and over. Terminating decimals are decimals that end, like 0.82953. There's nothing else. Non-terminating decimals are when you go to your calculator and you type something in, like your calculator fills up. It doesn't stop. Unlike, let's do this, 2.25. This is a terminating decimal. It has an end. Where the square root of 6, it's going to keep going and it fills up our calculator, so it doesn't actually stop. There are more numbers than this, but our calculator just doesn't hold enough. So that's a rational number. An irrational number is a number that can't be written as a fraction. So things like you just saw, the square root of 6, when we type it in, we got that big long number, big long number that didn't stop. We can't write that as a fraction. So this would be an irrational number. So non-terminating decimals will add to that. Another very popular one for irrational numbers is pi, if you remember. 3.1415. It's going to go on and on and on forever. So those types of numbers are going to be your irrational numbers. So in your homework today, I'm going to give you a list of a few different numbers, and I want you to decide, is it rational or is it irrational? Give it a try.